Hey guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show.
We are going to take you through all the ride-alongs that are here at the McCormick Center. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be fun.
Okay, Felicia, would you like to ride in the IX?
Yeah, sounds awesome.
There's the IX. I think that's what we're going to try to ride in.
Gorgeous colored. Looks like it has a continuous screen in there too.
Yeah. Looks pretty nice. Hi.
Oh, what's your line?
Can we ride in this one?
No.
No? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. How do we open it here? Oh yeah, I'll take the bag.
All right. Good?
Yeah.
I'll let you finish shutting it.
Okay. This is the one with the crystal stuff, yeah?
Isn't that awesome?
The lights.
So welcome to the iX.
Which is nice.
This is BMW's first electric SAV.
And see, we have an SAV?
Sport activity vehicle.
Okay. Sport activity.
Nothing utility about a BMW. Right?
Gotcha.
That's true.
So
Nice.
we're going to show you a few things. First
Okay.
of all, we're going to start off in drive mode. And I'm going to start off in efficient mode.
Okay.
You're not going to hear a lot of sounds. You're going to feel quiet, smooth, relaxing. We're in drive. How familiar are you with electric?
We've had two electric vehicles
We're in our second one.
on our side.
So we're going to put it in drive, and it's in adaptive. We have 4 different levels in drive of the regen power. So right now, I'm coasting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
We're in drive adaptive. It's going to
Okay.
need to see a car in front of me.
Right.
Slow.
Right.
And we'll use regen to slow.
Okay.
And if I need more than regen, I'll have to brake myself.
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm coasting, just make an adjustment on speed, and it sees a car, it will slow down.
it was really smooth. Like some of the one pedal region
I'm going to show you that in a little bit.
is really jerky.
This is very smooth.
Yeah, this is really smooth.
And what I'll tell you about the one pedal regen is it's the driver that's jerky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know you have to get accustomed to,
You have to learn to feather.
and they're all different is the thing, you know?
Now we're going to go to sport mode, which things get a little bit more angry and a little aggressive.
All right.
Right? 516 horsepower, so you're a 64.4.
Okay.
Have your seatbelts
Wow.
on.
I do.
All right.
We're going to go to B mode or regen.
Right.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
Oh, we're spinning.
Oh my
All
word.
the way through.
Oh,
On the brake.
Right.
I'm on regen.
That's good.
Oh yeah, that was so smooth.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all.
So if I give it a little throttle and ease up on the throttle,
Oh yeah, that's
Oh, wow. That's nice.
butter.
that's the driver. That's being used to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I'm a better driver. I'm saying
Right.
I've had more experience than most. So if I come up here and let off, it really slows down.
Uh-huh. It's still smooth, though.
It's still really smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've been in some that, about throws you forward.
Yeah.
It's like, ooh, I did.
There's another mode that I think is really kind of fun. It's called the Expressive.
Okay.
Notice the nice color
Yeah.
dash, but what's cool about this is that
Oh, my.
Whoa.
Wow. That is cool.
spaceship.
Does it make a sound
Yes.
outside or is it just inside?
No, it's inside.
It's awesome though. Wow.
Now, do you know the movie composer Hans Zimmer?
Yes, I've heard of him.
He created with BMW engineers the sound stuff.
Oh.
Cool.
So it's kind of like a little theater, a little Hollywood.
I'm an artist, so I'm loving the screen colors.
It's beautiful.
so
isn't it?
vibrant and creative.
It's awesome. You got like a leaf pattern in the dash.
Oh, that's great.
That's part of
Cool.
the sustainability. They use environmentally friendly dyes and
Okay.
materials. The wood is a
Yes, this is
sustainable
nice.
wood. They've really focused on things like that. The body structure is a carbon composite reinforced
Is
plastic.
there like some haptic buttons on that armrest? Are they?
Is that,
Oh, they're all
Yeah.
that way. So
Yeah.
that's
Nice.
our camera
Okay.
button. That one will bring up a menu.
Oh, I like that it's right there at your hand.
That's what I was getting ready to say.
Instead of reaching up to the screen.
Yeah, you don't have to keep reaching up there.
Our stereo is.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
I
Yeah.
heard the audio demo. Are you guys audiophiles?